The writ petition by Dharmakanta Das has been dismissed. So far as the writ petition by Photik Das is concerned, we have said that taking into consideration the attending facts and circumstances, this court is of the opinion that the present would be a fit case wherein the authorities can use their discretion to condone the defect of the bid of bidder Photik Das, which was in the form of shortage of EMD of rupees 35, which amount was otherwise deposited on the same day, and consequently grant the settlement with him who is the valid has been in accordance with law. Since the settlement is for 1 year and a substantial period is already over, the aforesaid direction be complied with as early as possible in any event within 3 weeks from today.
My lord, may I be permitted to move an unlisted motion, my lord? Actually, the matter pertains to Kohima Bank. We have taken permission from the.
But you have to bring it before.
Yes, we'll bring it back.
Have you filed it?
Yes.
Bring it immediately
Yes.
after the motion. Okay.
May it please, Your Lordship. I pray before Your Lordship for taking up a matter, my lord, unlisted matter.
Motion.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When can you bring it? You have to bring it in the first half.
Yesterday I have filed, my lord.
You bring it in the first half, we'll take, otherwise.
Oblige me.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 31, 32, and 33 of
Yes.
supplementary list. Lord.
Yes.
In this case, Lordship, there is subsequent developments, some Lordship. So I am praying for Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw Lordship with liberty, Lordship.
31.
32 and 33, same petitioner, Lordship, all identical matter.
Your GBus.
Yes, Lordship.
PHC has been informed.
No, I have not.
Public Health Engineering informed them. Madam Shraddha Chetia was there. Either she or anybody. Here for PHC, you can take notice. Okay. Sri J. Abbas Learned Council submits that due to certain developments, he has instructions to withdraw these writ
31,
petitions
32, and 33.
with a liberty to file afresh, full stop. Also heard Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Council representing the PHE department, full stop para. Writ petitions accordingly stand dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Ek order, Tinam, huh?
Deeply obliged.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
What is it? No, we go 1, 2, 3. আর দেখি একটু, হ্যাঁ, সামনে 5টা হয়ে গেছিল। Yes,
My lord, the respondent number 3 directed the respondent number 4, the BDO, to take appropriate action to prevent, my lord, illegal tax collection from a cattle market at Gwalpara, my lord, the Satimari weekly cattle market that operates only on Thursday,
mm.
and thereby allowing the government leasing to collect.
You're the government lessee?
Yes, my lord.
Mm,
But nothing has been done, my lord.
mm.
The lease period has already expired in the meantime. However, it is extended till 15th of February 2024, my lord. I am on the inaction on the part of BDO as well as the police officer of concerned police, my lord, police station. So
Yes,
this-
madam. Take instructions. We'll have it, we'll give a very short date. We'll have it on 5th.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Third, 3. Sharma. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he was granted the settlement of
Satimari weekly cattle market,
Sattaimari weekly cattle market in the district of
Gwalpara,
Gwalpara, wide and order dated
26/6/2023, and thereafter extended
26/6/2023
extended on 7/12/2023.
and extended on 7/12/2023. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is inaction on the part of the respondent authorities to prevent illegal collection of tolls by which the settlement of the petitioner is suffering, has been adversely affected. Full stop. Learned Counsel has also referred to certain communications directing actions to be taken, in spite of which no action has been taken. Full stop. Para. It is further submitted that the extended period is coming to an end
15th
on 15th of
February.
February 2024. Para. Let notice be issued. Full stop. MS N. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel PNRD accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1,
1, 3, and 4.
1, 3, and 4. M. Chetia,
For 2
ZA
and
for 2,
and 5.
2 and 5. Extra copies can you serve today?
Today, children.
Let extra copies be served. 6. Registered post, can you do it today?
Yes, my lord, raise the post also, and I'm permitting, my lord, if possible, on 4 and 5, I will take Dusty also, my lord.
No, 4 and 5, they are going to take,
1, 2,
it's already served.
Yes, my lord, there are no private respondent, my lord.
6 is there, private respondent. Moziruddin Ahmed,
Oh, yes, sir. Yes,
steps
Yes,
for service of notice upon the respondent was 6
I'm
be
sorry,
taken by registered post with AD. Steps by, can you take it today?
yes, my lord, today.
Today, हम लोग ऑफिस कब खुला है? 27. You take, can you take Dusty? Upon
Yes, my lord,
6?
Dusty also,
Is it possible?
that I am not here, my lord, private
We
respondent.
give you liberty if you try.
Yes, my lord,
I did, on the
I'll
request,
try, my lord.
on the request of Sri Sharma, liberty is granted to serve the respondent number 6 by Dusty, which has to be routed through the registry of this court, and the notice accompanying the Dusty is to reflect the next date, which is fixed on 5/1/2024. Prior to the next date, comma, petitioner is also required to file an affidavit in proof of such justice service.
Yes, my lord. I'm deeply.
May it please, your lordship.
Here, Sharma, likhiye.
My lord, there is a market, my lord, named Katazar Ghuramara Hat
Hmm,
under Baksha district, my lord.
okay.
Now, what happened, my lord, public wants that the cattle may be allowed to be sold in the market,
Okay.
fixing toll money. And to that extent, my lord, I draw your lordship's attention.
who are you?
It's 24,
Who are you?
my lord.
Who are you?
I am public as well as lessee of the market, my lord.
You are the lessee of the market.
Lessee also and the public also of that lady, yeah. So, my lord, page 24.
You are one of the public. You
Yes,
cannot be
ma'am.
the public.
My lord, one of the public, my lord.
You are a lessee. You want what? Your market should also indulge in cattle,
Cattle,
purchase and sale of cattle.
my lord. My lord, because the
What was the
area is
market for?
a-
Market was for what?
inhabited by agriculturist people, my
The
lord.
market was for what?
Market is running for this local products, my lord, this rice, paddy.
Cattle
etc.
market has got a different
My lord,
area.
that is different, my lord, but your lordship will consider. That is why I draw your lordship's attention to page 24.
2-4.
Yes, my lord.
Please read.
So, my lord,
Please read.
local authority, my lord, this is the Gaon Pradhan certificate, my lord. This is to certify that I have no objection if sale and purchase of cow operates in Katazar, Ghuramara Bazar.
But this he is not the authority.
My lord, now your lordship will turn to page 26.
2-6.
Yes, my lord.
Please.
It is from MP, local MP, my lord.
Mm.
Shoronia, Member Parliament. I hear to the Principal Secretary. I hereby enclosed an application received from Katazar Bazar Development Committee regarding a request for inclusion of animal market to Katazar Bazar. My lord, now your lordship will turn to page 21.
Mm.
Monoranjan Thakuria, my lord, he is the MLA, local
Talukdar.
MLA.
Talukdar.
Yes, Talukdar. So, my lord, MLA Shorbok constituency. I would like to say it is also addressed to the Secretary Market and Fairs Development Borderland Territorial Council. I would like to say that on public demand, such a addition an animal market with Ghuramara Katazar Bazar under your jurisdiction. You must take action regarding this. So, my lord, another one is Gautam Das, executive member.
Mr.
Borderland
Take
Territorial
all
Council.
the big persons are with you. Why should you come to the court?
My lord.
From MP to MLA to EM. You
No,
will
but-
not come to the court. You get your
No, my
grievance
lord,
redress there.
here what happened, my lord? They want it. They are also public representative. They looked into the interest of this area, my lord. All are agriculturist people, my lord. They want to sell their cattle. Earlier, the market was
That is
selling
exactly
cattle,
what we are saying.
my lord.
If everybody is in your favor, why should you come
No,
to the court?
In my favor, this is not the thing, my lord. Because, my lord, they may recommend, but if the authority does not act, my lord, we approach the
The authorities
authority.
will act if all
Authority is
this-
not doing, my lord.
If
That
all
is
these
why we are
persons
before your
in your
lordship.
favor, authorities will act.
My lord.
Why should you
So,
come
my
to the
lord,
court?
my lord, my only prayer before your lordship, as
But
the public
we-
representatives wants, my lord, let them consider the matter. Because, my lord,
Okay, we'll
it
issue
will
this.
increase the exchequer, my lord.
Okay, heard 3 MA6, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that pursuant to a tender notice dated 23/5/2023, he was settled with the Katajar market in the district of Baksa. Full stop. It is submitted. And the case of the petitioner is that the said market should also include the sale and purchase of cattle, as public in the locality are also having a similar demand. Full stop. Learned Counsel has also referred to numerous recommendations in this regard. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3. M. Chetia. Learned State Council accepts notice for respondent number 1. 3. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council BTC accepts notice for respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4. That extra copy. Can you serve extra copies by today?
My lord, yes.
Let extra copies be served on the Learned Council.
My lord, may I pray that pendency will not be barred to consider. My lord, oblige your lordship.
Yeah, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Lordship, matter pertaining lordship, the disconnect my connection lordship, a petition connection lordship. So here lordship, the
lots of discrepancy, Lordship. So in the month of Lordship, the October amount of rupees 697 rupees.
Hmm.
And next month, Lordship, in the month of November, 89,804 Lordship, which I appended Lordship is 15 Lordship
Hmm.
in the month of October Lordship.
Hmm. Yes. Now,
So my line has connection was disconnected on 2011-2023 Lordship. Lordship, petitioner is a widow along with the 3 minor children Lordship. Under the
how much is the debt? 700 something, 600.
in the month of October, 697 rupees Lordship
And
per
the
month.
month of November.
And next month Lordship, 89,804 Lordship. It's a very exorbitant Lordship.
89.
89,000 Lordship. And next month Lordship, December, 91,306 rupees Lordship.
Malad, kindly see page 12, Malad. That is the bill in question. Top of that bill, Malad will find the name of the consumer, the address, the contact number, then there is the tariff category, Malad.
Your husband's name is Jainal.
Yes, Jainal Abedin.
Jainaluddin.
Jainaluddin. And he is expert in the year 2020
The
Lordship.
tariff category, Malad, will see that it is a LT, low tension, for commercial connection.
Where do you get?
Page 12.
12, yes. Which part? Yes.
Contact
yes,
number,
yes.
email, tariff
Yes,
category.
yes.
So if they're using a commercial connection for residential purposes, that itself is wrong, my lord. So there must be a business establishment somewhere. That fact is not here. And that bill of October that they're referring to, that is also not next, my lord.
Lordship, concern is Lordship, the
No, but
October.
why this huge surge from 600 something to 89,000?
Yes,
That
Lordship.
600 bill is also not here, my lord.
No, they have made a
I
statement.
appended.
They've made a statement, my lord, but I'll have to
Yes,
verify.
Okay.
And-
Where is that bill of 600, Mr. Das?
Page 15 Lordship.
15.
Yes, Lordship. Page 15 Lordship.
Yes. 697.
Original
Ah.
copy. This is the original copy, page 15, and 14 is the type copy Lordship.
No, this is the payment receipt.
This is
Where is
the
the bill?
Bill Lordship, page 15 is original copy Lordship.
No.
Page 15 Lordship. Is a 600, bottom portion Lordship, kindly find Lordship. 697 Lordship.
Why is the pattern totally different?
I don't know Lordship, so why the department imposed the exorbitant amount Lordship.
No, why is the pattern different? Where is the connection? See the bill at page 12, it's a different. This is the bill. Normally we recognize this kind of bills.
Yes.
What is this 15? 15 is a receipt, I think. This is the receipt.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the bill?
Lordship, this is the bill.
This is not the
Now
bill. This is
Lordship,
what you get after
so
paying the
nowadays,
amount.
nowadays a digital bill has provided by the concerned department
No.
Lordship.
We also receive bills on daily basis.
So I'll have to verify, but there's perhaps a commercial establishment they're running. And the areas probably must be arising out of those, that establishment.
So Lordship, the
What do
digital-
you have? What business do you have in your?
Lordship, I have the very pity is the grocery shopkeeper Lordship.
That is
They
not
given that
disclosed. That is
No,
the
have you
third
said anywhere in your petition?
is a commercial connection Lordship.
A commercial connection for what?
Lordship, I have tenant, they have provided the grocery shopkeeper Lordship.
Where have you stated?
So I did not state Lordship the grocery shopkeeper Lordship.
The
So,
projection does not appear to be a very correct and fair projection. You will also take instructions.
My concern is the Lordship, the bill Lordship in the month of October is only the 697 Lordship.
That also bill, you have not annexed the bill. You have given the
I
receipt.
have appended Lordship, the annex 15.
No, that is not the bill. That is the receipt.
So
From
during the
here, where do you get the number of your connection? Where is the number? Is it discernible?
consumer number is 1, 2.
Where? Where in page 15? Where is the consumer number?
Yes, sir. Top portion Lordship, can you
Top-
see?
Yes, where?
Consumer number.
Top portion.
Yep. One, two. Lordship, if something eligible Lordship, so 50% is eligible Lordship. Is a 1, 2.
If you give an eligible copy, can we
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
bring up a better copy? We'll issue a short notice at this
Yes,
stage.
sir,
You
on
also
the,
take
on the
instructions.
reopening date. Malad.
If there is some error, you try to rectify.
No,
it.
otherwise, there is also a forum
No, that is okay.
Yes.
That is okay.
Lordship, with due
Yes,
respect.
sir.
126.3, he can raise the objection.
There's a consumer grievance redressal forum
Okay. For, especially for
for,
your.
for bill related issues.
Okay,
and-
okay. Or 3RC does. Learned counsel. For the petitioner. Who is aggrieved by disconnection of electricity. First of, it is submitted that there has been erratic surge in the bills, as a result of which the petitioner, who is a widow, was not able to pay. Puts the para, let notice, para. On the other hand, Sri B. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the respondents, has pointed out that the connection in question is a commercial connection. And the bill of the lesser quantity has not been properly annexed, as a result of which, properly annexed, puts the para, be that as it may, let notice be issued. Returnable on, we'll give a date,
On the
disconnection
reopening date,
matter,
my
on
lord.
5th.
Lordship, with due respect, Lordship, the connection not to be restored, Lordship. That's because Lordship, the widow, petitioner is a widow, along with the
Let's
three
make
minor
a payment, my
children,
lord.
Lordship.
I
Since last
cannot
2 months,
possibly
Lordship,
verify,
my
but
electricity is
See,
disconnected.
the amount is much, if you are willing to deposit
Lordship,
50,
I find this.
if you are willing.
Original copy, this one original, in the
If
month
you are
of
willing to
October.
deposit 50%, then we can, otherwise we will have it on the reopening.
Lordship, I got the original copy, Lordship, in the month of October, Lordship.
That you should have given here.
So I appended Lordship with a Xerox copy.
on third, my lord, I'll come back with
Lordship, I
it.
may
On
allow-
get it on 3rd itself.
Yes, yes.
It's a notice of motion, returnable, notice of motion. Sri B. Chaudhary, learned counsel accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Para, since the matter since the matter concerns disconnection of electricity, let this matter be posted on the reopening date. That is 3/1/2023,
Yes.
2024. You have not made the respondents, added proper respondents. Why?
Lordship, respond number 3 is a clerical mistake, Lordship. Is a divisional.
No, what
Divisional
about,
engineer also.
what about the APDCL? Where is APDCL?
Even the SD, my lord, he has not been identified.
Officers, okay, you don't have not. Where is
Yes,
APDCL?
Lordship. Lordship, I may allow to implement.
No, you cannot, but you may file IA. These are something elementary, Mr. Das. Why are you making
Yes, sir.
same mistake? Yes, next.
Deeply read.
Mass of it.
Yes, madam.
Means legal lordship, 439 application, not supposed to be behind the bars lordship, a very picky issue lordship. In fact, his brother,
Now, let us see the FIR.
yes, lordship, page 10 is the FIR lordship,
Yes.
page 10. May I read the contents
I
lordship?
captured the.
Informant submission is that I am a poor cultivator and a resident of so and so Moja. In my Rapan paddy field, the buffalo of a person named Wahid Ali, that is the brother of the petitioner number 1. Is roaming around, and on various occasions I captured the buffalo and tied him in my house. Thereafter, I informed and returned the buffalo in his custody 10 days back when I again captured the buffalo from my cultivated field. The above named persons tried to hit me, for which we had a quarrel. Thereafter, he along with other persons entered in my house, for which I had to escape from the place. According to information, they have broken my TV, vehicle, etc. They have captured it. Well,
Then last line.
they have
They have also, and took my brother.
took
This
brother.
is very serious.
No, my lord. But what has happened, my lord? The brother is a handicapped. He is all of them. It is this informant lordship. He himself first started the things, and for that,
Okay, but where is the
29
brother?
case has been.
Where is the brother?
Brother is in the home only. He's a handicapped person, lordship.
But
He can move around, lordship.
you have taken his brother?
Yeah, I have made statement also, lord.
Where?
I have made
Let us see the forwarding.
Yes, I'm placing the forwarding.
Complaint.
Yes,
Hello, I
That
have
is-
spoken to the IO today
Yes,
regarding this case. My daughter father has been recovered.
where?
That date is because they verbally informed.
Okay, let us ground the solution.
pity issue could have been settled by the village Pradhan Lordship, not the person. And in fact, this petition,
Wagoner, window glass, TV. You have broken Wagoner car,
Lordship, not me,
window,
Lordship,
TV, and
Lordship.
threatened to kill.
No, Lordship, not me, my brother, Lordship, Ohed Ali. Ohed Ali is not before your Lordship, Lordship. These are his brother, he's separate, staying in a separate accommodation. He's the elder brother. Went to police station, Lordship, just to get the information what has happened. And he has been detained with his all associate, Lordship. That is my case, Lordship. I have detailed everything. Absolutely illegal detention, Lordship. I just went to police station to know what has happened.
You are not a name
No,
accused.
Lordship, no one.
Are you a name accused?
No, Lordship. My brother was there involved.
Where is your brother?
My brother is he has not been he is my lord. I brought the this in connection with the
They have
429
not got
case.
your brother, they have got you.
No, that is the case, Lordship. How can they,
You are discharging a pious obligation.
Lordship? This is
Okay,
the this is
when were you arrested?
16
When were you arrested?
Lordship.
19th.
Yes,
19,
Lordship.
Okay. Today is what?
22nd.
It's very cold.
Lord.
Let him go.
But
Okay. Heard. MST, so learned counsel. For the petitioner who has filed this application under section 439 of the CRPC for grant of bail in connection with so and so, full stop. You're 4.
Yes, Lordship. Me and my all friends went to police station to know the whereabouts, happening of the case, and I'm all detained, Lordship.
You said you are the brother?
I'm the brother of the named accused, Lordship.
Oh, I means you are 4. All of you are brothers.
No, not our brother. All others are my friend.
But they are named Abdul Munnaf is named.
No, Lordship. They are not named, Lordship. I'm placing the. I'm placing the original certified copy.
Okay. That doesn't matter. কি করলো? Petitioners, huh? Good stuff. Also heard. Resource learned additional PP. Para. The case of the petitioners is that an information was lost on 19/12/2023 against one, what is his name? Wahed Ali. And the petition number 1 is his brother, and the rest of the petitioners are persons known to him, full stop. It is submitted that apart from the allegations being trivial in nature, comma, the same were against the Wahed Ali and the present petitioners are no way connected to the offense. Full stop. Para. This court has noticed that the petitioners were arrested on 19/12/2023. Full stop. After hearing the learned counsel as well as the learned APP, this court is of the opinion that further custodial detention of the petitioners would not be necessary. And accordingly, the instant petition is allowed. Full stop. The petitioners are accordingly directed to be released on bail on submitting a bail bond of rupees 5,000 each with a COT of like amount to the satisfaction of
Amingao CGM. CGM Amingao.
the learned CGM Amingao. Full stop. The petitioners would, however, be required to, is it this one? Okay.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
This case, your lordship will get the FIR at page 11, your lordship.
Yes, 11.
Page 11.
Yes.
This is relating to your lordship payment of compensation against your lordship acquisition of land, your lordship,
Hmm.
for Assam Mala project, your lordship.
Hmm.
Their allegation is that some people, your lordship, benefited, your lordship, from this award, which according to them is exaggerated, your lord.
Hmm.
Now, your lordship, the petitioner is an assistant engineer of PWD, your lord. Now, this project has been, your lordship, is Assam Mala, your lordship, and it is under direct purchase system under your lordship, section 46 of Right to Fair Compensation Act, your lordship, has been acquired by the government, your lordship. Your lordship will. Now, your lordship, the two persons have still they've been arrested, your lordship, two assistant engineers of the PWD, your lordship.
Hmm.
And in fact, on 14th, I was arrested, and next day, your lordship, other one was arrested, your lordship. Rest of the people, your lordship, they have not arrested, your lordship. Some of the beneficiaries, your lordship, got interim, the anticipatory bail, your lordship. Now,
Where is the forwarding?
forwarding, your lordship will get it at
24.
lordship, 24.
What is your name?
My name is, your lordship, Sunil Dole.
Where are you?
Only says, your lordship, to find out the conspiracy for the commission of the crime, seize the misappropriation, huge amount of public reserve, to crack down the whole nexus behind the facts, to collect these required documents, if any, concealed by him, to seize, freeze. In fact, your lordship, other person is few minutes back, you are granted bail by this honorable court, your lordship, coordinate bench, your lordship. Other assistant engineer, your lordship.
Arrested when?
Your lordship, on 14th, your lordship. The co-accused has been only two persons has been arrested till date, your
Who has
lordship.
been granted bail?
Lordship, the other person, your lordship.
What is the name?
His name, your lordship, Lobo Sunwal, your lordship. His name is not here, your lordship. It's a separate forwarding report, your lordship.
Arrested when?
On for 15th, your lordship.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, otherwise, the specific allegation is here in the forwarding report, although he's not been named in the FIR.
No,
Same
these,
allegation.
these are kind of allegations, nobody can be named, but this is
Yes,
something
but
very
subsequently
serious.
names will be proper.
It's a very serious offense.
Lordship, I understand, your lordship. I am only pointing out that I will have to ultimately, I am leaving to your lordship. But the point, since your lordship, the other co-accused was arrested just 1 day
What
after.
is the bail petition number?
Your lordship, bail petition number is, your lordship, item number 28. I am giving your lordship.
Heard Sri S. Bothakur, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Sri so learned counsel for the learned APP. No, as well,
BA 4686 of
who has,
2023.
APP Lampi Satip, who has filed this petition under section 439 CRPC in connection with so and so, huh? The petitioner has been arrested on 14/12/2023. That's also heard so and so learned APP, full stop para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has not been named in the FIR and has been arrested on suspicion. Full stop. He further informs this court that a co-accused who was arrested has been granted bail by a coordinate bench of this court
In BA number,
Today,
your
in
lordship,
BA number
4686 of 2023.
4686 of 2023.
Three.
Within bracket name
Lobo Sonwal,
LABA.
BA, SONOWAL, Lobo
Labo
Sonwal.
Sonwal, full stop para. Considering the aforesaid facts and circumstances, and also the fact that a co-accused has been granted regular bail today by a coordinate bench, the instant prayer for bail is allowed and the petitioner is directed to be released on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 25,000, which is secured in life and subject to the satisfaction of
CGM Dhemaji.
CGM, learned CGM Dhimaji. Disarpini Dibaha, okay. Not to hamper. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
You're lucky.
Lordship, Lord. Lucky.
If this case was taken,
Lordship.
no chance.
Lordship. Deeply obliged. Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please,
Yes.
Your Lordship. Bail application under section 439, Your Lordship. Arrest on Your Lordship 1/11/2023, Your Lordship. As on date, Your Lordship, 52 days behind the bar, Your Lordship.
Allegations.
Allegation, Your Lordship.
Indian
Fake
currency.
currency, Indian currency, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, FIR page, Your Lordship, kindly see 11, Your Lord.
Economic offense.
Your
Here,
Lordship.
PD will require. Right?
Actual fact is this, Your Lordship. He's actually permanently residing in Kasar district as Your Lordship. On that day, he was came to
Okay, you bring the case diary.
Yes, my
Lordship.
As Islam,
Yes, Islam, Your Lord.
439 in connection with so and so. Call for the case diary. It will come from which place?
Place your
Kamrup,
Bokish-
my lord.
Kamrup, Bohish, yes, Your Lord.
On the
Oh,
5th
from
of January.
Bokhista, okay. I will have it early, on the 5th of January. 5th of January. Sri so and so. Learned APP shall do the needful.
All right.
CD plus FSL.
CD plus FSL. CD plus FSL.
All right.
Okay, next. Arbitration, why? Appointment.
Appointment, Your Lordship, what has happened is the railway, though they have appointed, two are serving officers and one is a retired person of railway. In spite of the fact that I did not waive 12.5 and there is a procedure of theirs only whereby it says that 64 they have amended saying that even if there is no waiver, they can appoint. But the stipulation is retired person should be appointed. Here they have appointed one retired person and two serving officers.
Approximation of this will come out first.
Okay. Heard 3A Biswas Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has filed this petition under section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act read with section 14 and 15, 14, 15 and read with section 12, 5, 14 within bracket 1 and don't say 14, 1 and 15 chronological debate. It is submitted that the respondents have constituted a tribunal consisting of two serving personnel and one retired personnel, which would be against the mandate. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 18th of January.
Lordship, Lord.
Obliged, Your Lord.
Let extra copies of the petition of this petition written petition be served upon Sri Gogoi. Can you give it today, Mr. Biswas?
Pardon?
Can you give it today?
Yes,
Are you in a position to serve copies today?
yes.
Today, okay.
Yes.
Extra copies to be served.
Lordship, Lord.
Obliged.
Anybody? What's the good logo? Anybody? Mogul.
So this is for 38 application lordship. Lordship, kindly peruse the FIR, page number 8, Lordship.
Page 8,
Yes, Lordship.
please read.
Would you respect Lordship that the below mentioned signatory of a village that Thanagara back to state that the secretary of VDP committee, the Thanagara village and Nurul Islam son, the Zahirul Islam and the Hussein Ahmed, the son of a later and the Abdul Hai, with the help of border police, Morikau Thana, and the joint of Kumar Das are taking money from the below mentioned person by saying that there are Bangladeshi cases against them and they assured to settle the matter. And they are taking money without serving any notice to the person who are paying. The father said Nurul Islam said that there are 100 Bangladeshi cases
My lord,
in
this case may go to another bench because it was earlier rejected by Honorable Justice A. Chaudhary.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Editor, where?
If I am not wrong, my lord. Page 17.
Yes, Lordship. I annex the bail order, Lordship.
Oh, yes, you're
Annex
correct.
to page number 16, Lordship.
Should go to appropriate bench.
Okay. Oh, you want to move it today?
Yes, Lordship.
Today we can try, but you should have mentioned in the morning, we could have sent the matter.
Because perhaps he was
You
not
know
available.
the procedures. দেখা এই ম্যাটাৰটো আগতে জাষ্টিছ এ ডি চৌধুৰীৰ ৰিজেকশ্যন আছে তেতিয়া তাতে যাব লাগিছিল ভুলতে ইয়াতে দিছে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰিত পঠাই দিওঁ হা এইটো কৰি দিব লাগিব কিন্তু হা The learned APP has pointed out that there is an earlier rejection order of the same petitioner by a coordinate bench of Honorable Justice A.D. Chaudhary. And the order itself has been annexed at as annexure 2.
Yes, sir.
Full stop para. Since urgency has been expressed, registry may place this case before the appropriate bench, if possible, by today itself.
Yes, sir. Obliged, sir.
We'll have the order right now, okay? You just pursue. We'll
Yes,
send
sir.
the file.
Yes, sir.
ATM ID.
Obliged.
Yeah, please, the court earlier application earlier rejected my application.
This court has rejected.
Well,
This court has rejected.
this was,
Where is the rejection order?
please, my lord, it is 15, my lord.
1-5.
Yeah, now earlier three petitioners, three accused came, all of them. Now only the petitioner, accused number 3, petitioner alone has come, because in the order itself, it is mentioned that he has fled away from the place of occurrence when there was at the time of occurrence, while the other two were involved. And he's a VDP personal man. That document earlier was not annexed, man. That we have now annexed, so that the VDP that is also observed. That
These are very serious allegations.
Yes, please.
actually, man, though it appears to be a serious allegation, my lord, what
let us
We
see.
issue notice at this stage.
because the girl was loitering and they are VDP, they have nabbed her along with the boys
Okay,
for taking into
okay, we get the case diary.
some protection if lost.
No.
My lord,
These are
here,
very serious. 164.
But there
we
is
have seen.
Lordship also.
On the last occasion, we have seen 164.
yes,
But
We have
Lordship
issued
is
notice, you should be
Yes.
fortunate.
my lord, here, my lord, the informants should have been made 30, my lord, because it's a
Informant
POCSO
for
case, my lord.
Last time the informants were represented.
My lord, that I don't know, but
Yes,
here,
last occasion, they were there. You have not made parties.
in this petition, that they
But
were.
last time
It
it
is
is
there.
the order.
it is there, madam. Janab Ali, it
Oh,
is there, madam. It is there, madam.
Heard. Sri Yaya Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed this petition under section 438 of the CRPC in connection with so and so. Full stop. The learned counsel has, however, pointed out that on an earlier occasion, this court, by order dated 18/10/2023, had rejected the bail of the petitioner, which was filed along with 2 other persons. Full stop para. Call for the case diary. Fixing when?
8th of January.
Fixing 10th of January.
10th.
Free censor learned APP shall do the needful. Let notice be issued upon the respondent number 2 by how?
No, that is already there. We have already made her party.
First time they have this come. by registered post with AD.
As per the notification.
Yes. They have been made parties here.
One more thing, medical report can be on the victim, but that will require because
Case diary along with.
medical report of the
Up to date case diary along with medical report.
of the victim. Earlier it was not there.
Along with medical report, okay.
Must.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
458 application, my lord. Offence is under section 420 and 406 of the IPC. My lord, dispute between my lord employer and employee, my lord. This petitioner, he was working in my lord in a automobile company, my lord, in a Pragati Motors at my lord dealer of Tata. It is allegation is that my
Property
lord, he
matters,
has
where is it?
affair at my lord
No,
place
no, property matter, which place?
my lord at Jorhat.
Jorhat, okay.
The dealer of Tata, my lord.
Okay, what has happened? I will
The
read the FIR.
allegation is that, my lord, I have stolen some goods from their stock, my lord.
I have informed that one. You are Navajit Bora,
I am Navajit Bora, my lord. I am named in the affair.
employee of discount to knowledge management. Has involved in stealing goods from the stock and also has the money collected from. Yes, what do you say?
My lord, dispute is that, my lord,
Yes,
for last
what
3
is-
months, his salary was not paid, my lord.
Heard. Where is the FIR?
Affair at page 13, my lord.
Part 3, B.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed this petition under section 438 of the CRPC in connection with so and so. Full stop. By drawing the attention of this court to the FIR FIR dated what is the date? Dated
Dated 19/11/23, my lord.
19
11/23.
11/20/23, comma. The learned counsel has submitted that there was some dispute of the petitioner who is an employee of the Pragati Motors, as a result of which certain false allegations of thefts and irregularities in the accounts have been made against him. Para, call for the case diary fixing 12/1/2020. 4, Sri so and so shall do the needful. Para, Sri Chaudhary, learned counsel prays for some interim protection. Para, considering the nature of allegations, comma, it is provided in the interim that in the event of arrest, 10,000. Then here, you appear,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner is directed to appear before the IO on or before, আমি কেতিয়া fix কৰিছো? 12th fix কৰিছো, no? On or before 5th of January.
I'm obliged. I'm obliged, lordship.
Episode not to 10% per day.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
This is an application under section 438, my lord, filed by the chief petitioner. Your Lordship, can you see the FIR, my lord, in Exhibit 3, my lord.
Page,
My lord. Type copy, my lord, starts from page 24 and
Page.
originally is page 27, my lord.
24.
Type copy starts from page 24, my lord.
Okay.
Marijan is exhibit number 1, Durga Jain is exhibit number 2. Durga Jain is mother of Marijan and Vinita Jain is the exhibit number 3, my lord. This is Vinita Jain, my lord. This is Vinita Jain.
No, don't make this kind of submissions.
No, my lord.
What is this, Mr. Alam?
No. with all respect, my lord.
Why, what is this?
My lord,
What are you trying to do?
no, my lord,
Raise
allegation.
before any other bench.
My lord, allegation has
Sorry.
been made. I have committed theft.
Raise
my
before
lord.
any other bench. Don't make
Sorry,
this kind of
sorry,
gimmicks
sorry.
in the court, Mr. Alam.
Sorry, my lord.
You are in a superior court.
My lord, sorry, my lord.
Is she appearing in person?
No, no, my lord. Allegation has been brought against her.
Sorry.
She has
Raise
committed. She has
raise before
committed
any
theft,
other
my lord.
bench. Raise before any other bench without me. Since urgency has been expressed, registry may list it before any other court today.
Today, my lord, if possible.
Don't play
No, my
tricks
lord,
with
I-
this
my
court.
lord, my lord, just I have.
See, we
my-
impose heavy cost upon you, Mr. Alam, if you speak anything else.
Sorry, my lord.
We don't tolerate any nonsense in this court. Yes,
Sorry.
next.
Sorry, my lord.
My plate, your lordship.
Just a minute. Yes.
My lord, this
Oh,
petition
both
in
for
regard.
the Public Works Department. Public Works, Mr. Gogoi, B. Gogoi. Just a while.
Tem-
35 CM. We'll have your matter. Let him come. Wait for a while. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, the lordship, here the fact of the brief fact, before going to the facts of the case, lordship.
Yes.
I want to give a glimpse of the case, lordship. The petitioner had purchased a flat on a verbal agreement from the respondent number 4, lordship.
Hmm.
And thereafter, while
There are two petitioners.
there are two petitions. Thereafter, what happened, lordship? After saying after taking possession over the flat, lordship, my
The
electricity.
petition number 2 is the daughter of the petition number 1.
Yes, lord.
Okay. Now what
After-
has happened?
But after staying there on lordship, my electricity connection was disconnected by the respondent number 4, and immediately, and thereafter, lordship, during that period of time, my petition number 2 was pregnant, lordship. His pregnancy was also terminated. We have filed an FIR also to that effect, lordship.
Hmm.
After that, what happened? We approached the civil court, lordship, and civil court injuncted the respondent number 4 not to evict us, lord. And we are on injunction, lordship. We are interim protection from the civil court.
Hmm.
And what happened, lordship? After that, we approached the APDCL. One number, please. APDCL.
You want a permanent connection now.
Yes.
You want a permanent
Yes,
connection. You are otherwise having a connection.
Otherwise, I was given connection by the respondent number 4, lordship.
Now are you having a connection?
No, lordship. We are not having any connection.
They have not applied, your lord.
Yes, we have 50.
They have only submitted a representation.
Lordship.
You applied in
No,
accordance.
lordship, we cannot. That is the fact, lordship. That's of the case. As per
No, you
the
don't need the, nowadays you don't need.
That NOC requirement has been waived, your lord.
lordship, we have a 51 page. They have the page number 51, lordship.
51.
Yeah, of course, lordship. That is the type copy is the lordship 50. Type copy is 50.
Mr. Pathak, have a look.
Lordship, that is a representation, your lordship.
Yeah.
You apply in the format.
Lord, we cannot apply in the form because NOC is required, lordship.
NOC is not required nowadays. That has been done away with.
But-
You should be aware of what is happening.
But-
That is done away with.
Done away
We'll
with.
record his statement. We'll close this.
Lordship.
Okay. Heard, Sri P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. Para. Also heard Sri K. P. Pathak, learned standing counsel APDCL. Full stop. Para. Considering the subject matter involved and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, the instant petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage. Full stop. The petitioners are having Are tenants
No, Lordship, we are.
are claimed to be purchasers
Yeah.
of a flat, which, in regard to which there is a dispute which is pending in the civil court, full stop. To be more specific, comma, the action of the private respondents to evict the petitioners is the subject matter of the dispute, in which there is also an order of injunction operating. Full stop. Para, the grievance of the petitioner is with regard to the electricity connection. Full stop. It is submitted that representations were given, including one dated 10/8/2023, for affording electricity connection, which has not been done. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that because of the absence of an NOC from the registered owner, comma, such connection has not been given. Full stop. Para. Responding to the aforesaid argument, comma, Sri Pathak, the learned counsel, learned standing counsel has submitted that the requirement of NOC is not a mandatory requirement, and in appropriate cases, applications may be filed in the prescribed format with the reasons which would be considered in accordance with law. Full stop. Para. And para, he further submits that though representations might have been submitted, comma, the application needs to be in the proper format. Full stop. Para. Sri Sharma, the learned counsel, submits that he may be permitted to submit such application in the prescribed format, which may be directed to be considered and appropriate orders be passed by the authorities. Full stop. Para. The aforesaid prayer appears to be reasonable. Full stop. The petitioners may accordingly submit application in the prescribed format within a period of
5 days, I will file.
within a period of 5 days from today.
And
Also explaining the reason of lack of NOC by giving some documentary evidence of the case pending before the civil court. And on receipt of the same, comma, the APDCL would consider and pass necessary orders for giving connection within
10 days.
As soon as possible, and preferably within a period of 10 days, subject to the fulfillment of other conditions.
Highly obliged.
Petition stands disposed of. Yes.
Highly obliged.
I see, no? Mr. Nayak will be appearing?
No.
Okay. Yes. Thirty-four, 35. Yes, what is this 34?
My lord,
Both are similar or what?
both are similar, my lord. That the
Okay.
only name of the work is different, my
Okay,
lord.
let us take up 34.
Actually, the tender has been called by the 34 job number. Uh, uh, two. One. The tender has been invited, my lord. It's a very small contract, my lord, for regarding the maintenance, short-term maintenance of the national highway, my lord. The
NIT,
NIT in page number, my lord.
NIT date,
NIT 1310. I'm just. It is page number 28, my lord. 1310 to 2023, my lord. And my job
13?
in question 1310-2023, my lord.
23.
23. My job number in CL number 1, my lord. So
Page,
according- page number 28, my lord.
28.
28. Next are B.
Okay. Number 2, serial number 2.
CL number 1, my lord, in NIT.
Oh, short-term maintenance.
Short-term maintenance. Job number one.
Estimated is 282.14.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Then what happened?
Then, my lord, on 28, day before yesterday, my lord, the chief engineer had uploaded.
You had participated your bids.
Yes, my lord. I have participated my bid along with all the formalities, requisite EMD and
Okay, then what
participation,
happened?
everything. On page number, please come to page number 34, my lord.
34.
The
Yes.
continuation is 35, my lord.
34. Yes.
34. In
Yes.
pair number 1 and Roman 1, my lord. Shall I read, my lord?
34. What is 34?
35, my lord. This is a continuation.
34 is minus of meeting.
Financial minutes of the meeting. It is a
1812.
next page, my lord.
1812 MOM. Okay, next page. Yes, 35.
35. Pair number 1.
Para 1.
Another 1 and 2. I am just reading, my lord, one by one. The bidder has record of poor performance and inordinate delay in completion of job number 215. I'm just telling the last number of the job, my lord, which was allotted to the contractor on 13/12/2022. And scheduled completion date was on 8/10/2023, but up-to-date progress is 27, my lord. Now I'm showing, going to page number, my lord, 37 for a moment, my lord.
37, yes.
At pair number 3, my lord.
Yes. Please
I'm
read.
just, shall I read, my lord?
Yes, yes, please.
When the DPR for the work was submitted, there was no existence of utility pipelines. Later on, the utility service like water pipeline lines were laid by the concerned department under Jal Jeevan Mission without any consultation with this department. The issue is not resolved yet, and it is very important, my lord. Exact date of completion of shifting of utility pipelines could not be ascertained. This letter has been signed by chief engineer himself, my lord, and this has sent to the ministry for extension of time for up to for this particular package for regarding the which they have denied in their page number 35, my lord. As per the chief engineer, is very important, my lord. If chief engineer is concerned, he himself admitted that this could not be ascertained. And he has recommended, my lord, my EOT up to 28 to 2024, my lord.
Where is it?
It's page number 37, I am telling, my lord.
Where is the recommendation for extension?
Yeah, I will, this is the exactly recommended, this is the continuation letter of the earlier one, my lord. If you go to the reference, the letter number so and so, the ministry returned after that.
Now, which page are you referring to?
In fact, I'm coming to it again in page number 37, my lord.
37, you have read the last part,
my
where
lord.
the dates, exact dates of shifting of the utility pipes has not been ascertained.
My lord.
So where is the portion regarding extension of the EOT?
Yeah, extension of the EOT is the continuation of this letter, my lord.
Where is it?
No, I am not annexed this letter because.
But EOT has been extended, otherwise.
Yes, EOT has been extended, my lord. There is a certain portion I am going to come, my lord.
Then what happened now?
After that, my lord, this point has been raised by the engineer. Sorry, chief engineer, my lord. As per him, the percentage is progress on is 27, my lord, as per his letter 2012-2023. Now, please come to page number 39, my lord, for a moment.
39.
39, my lord.
Yes, please. Yes.
This is the engineer certificate, my lord.
Yes.
Where the engineer has already been certified that work in progress as on, my lord, 12/12/2023 on 33%, my lord. Where here is chief engineer is saying 27% on 18/12, my lord, and where is concerned executive engineer is saying 33%, my lord, and as of now, the practical physical progress of the work is more than 50%, my lord. 33% is only the financial progress, my lord.
But even then, you are much behind the schedule.
No, it is only because of the duty hindrance, and there is certain documents which I'm.
Okay, now what is your problem?
I'm just coming to the point, my lord. For regarding that, as per their minutes of the meeting, they have said that the bidder has record of poor performance
Correct.
and inordinate delay in completion number 215, which was allotted upon 13/12/2022 and scheduled completion period 8/10/2023. But up to the progress is 27%. Whereas the engineer is saying 33%. Our practical position is my lord, physical progress is more than 50%. There is that mismatch between the engineer's certificate.
No,
and
your problem is that with in connection with the present NIT, you have been held to be technically non-responsive.
non-responsive
Because of this word.
because there is another one, that is, I'm coming to the letter, my lord. And there is a very important thing, my lord. and
What is the stage of this thing? How much has it progressed?
As on that, this working question, which there
No,
inordinate delay.
No. The present NIT, which is the subject matter.
No, it is on the financial bill is supposed to be open on 26, my lord.
Financial bills will be open on 26.
On 26, 12, my lord. 26 of
Yes,
December.
Mr. Nayak, what do you say?
Lordship, although in this case, Lordship, Lordship will see the tender clause, Lordship.
4.5.
Yes, 4.5.
Okay.
That clause is definitely there.
Hmm.
Secondly, Lordship, in the minute, two grounds were shown, Lordship, two
Yes.
jobs have been shown, Lordship.
Yes.
One is, that is, my friend is referring, Lordship,
Hmm.
and the second one is 197 during DLP. So, Lordship, these two are not the only cases, Lordship. There are so many cases against this petitioner, Lordship, wherein his contract has been terminated and many cases are pending before this honorable court. His performance is very poor, very poor. He has number of cases pending before this honorable court, Lordship. And at some point of time, department will have to take note of those cases.
Where is 4.5? Let us see again.
In page number 44, my lord.
4.4.
44. There is no any contract terminated, my lord.
Record
Only
of poor performance.
poor
such as
performance,
departing
Page
not
44,
properly
44.
operating the-
In regard to this point, my lord.
Litigation history, financial failures. But so far as the one work is concerned, 417.
Yes.
He has tried to show some documents
Lordship will see that.
from which he has tried to
Yeah.
build up an argument that
Lordship will
it cannot
see
be
page
attributable.
35. Page
3.5. 3.5.
Page 35.
Yes.
Lordship, here the minutes took note of the fact that 27% as on 8/10/2023.
Yes.
8/10/23.
Hmm.
And the document he is placing, Lordship, signed by the executive engineer.
Hmm.
There it is mentioned as 33%.
Yes.
But Lordship will take note of the date,
12.
12/12.
Yes.
So 2 months later, Lordship. So 27 in the month of October and 33% in the month of December, Lordship. So this is necessary, Lordship, nothing. But Lordship will see that extension date.
You are correct. Because though this minutes is of 1812, the
Yes.
date has been of 810.
Yes, so
And the
33% from
certificate is of
27.
1212.
Yeah, from 27 to 33%.
33 is not also not a.
My lord,
desired
I'm just
progress.
coming to that point, my lord. Please come to page number 37, my lord, and para number first, and line number 5 number line, my lord.
Yes.
On 15/12, my lord, the chief engineer has telling that my work in progress is 17%, my lord.
Yes.
On after the 3 days, after the signing of the minutes, my lord, this work has been progress up to 27%. And 12, my lord, on 12th of December, the engineer is saying the 33%, that is a financial progress, my lord.
No, but still then the desired progress is much behind the desired progress.
No,
The work was of how many, this thing?
that is 10 months, my lord. And there is no, one very important thing, my lord, there is no liquidated damages or contract attributable to the conductor's part was imposed, my lord, because this is a completely department and PhD department concern, my lord, where that chief engineer has dutifully admitted in the last para of this letter, my lord. I'm just telling you the first para of the 15/12 letter, my lord, that is, chief engineer is saying that is a 17%. On after the 3 days, when the minutes of the meeting of the technical bit is concerned, my lord, he is telling, chief engineer is telling that is the progress is 27%. And where is that?
Mr. Jaman,
My
the
lord.
difficulty in admission is not a problem. We can admit, but you are also praying for an interim order.
In the order, my lord.
That is the difficulty where.
My lord, I'm just coming to the next point, my lord, for the regarding the Robin question, which
These are contractual matters. Ultimately, the satisfaction is discretion is upon the authorities. They want to do the work to the best possible extent, and if they find some contractors with history, past history, and you have not challenged
My-
4.52 is not under challenge. And this 4.52 requirement appears to be a reasonable requirement.
My
Record
lord,
the poor performance.
my lord, that's why
record
I'm
not-
just coming to the next point of the page number 35, my lord. Regarding that, they have to tell me that regarding the risks and cost, the defect liability period has been continued at the risks and cost of mine. But I have never been involved when this minus
Where
of
is the,
the
where is the rejection order? Technically, the non-responsive,
That has been
35, my lord,
3.5.
35, my lord,
Or that minus of meeting.
Yes.
meeting.
minus.
30, continue page over 36. My
When
lord,
are you-
I'm
when
just
are- when are you opening the bids?
26th of December, my lord.
Sanjay Kumar Singh.
And my lord, very important one thing I'm just telling you, my lord, that in regard to job number 197, my lord, they have never been informed me for regarding your maintenance period has been continued at your risk and cost. Please come to the page number 21 for a moment, my lord. Page number 21, my lord. Page number 21, my lord.
21, yes. Yes, please.
That last bottom is very important, my lord. The engineer certificate of the same job is concerned for regarding the risks and cost matter, my lord. Risks and cost, I have already given them the letter, which I will come to later, my lord. It is clearly mentioned, my lord, the schedule completion period is 27 of January, my lord. And I have completed the same on 5th of January, my lord. The last bottom of the letter, shall I read, my lord?
No, this was said, but this was not, they'll be considering matters where you have failed to complete in time. This will not come into the consideration.
No, this in regard to this job number, my lord, which they have taken in the minus of the meeting, my lord, in page number 35.
35.
35, my lord. The bidder failed to, shall I read, my lord?
35, which job?
The same, my one point, pair number 2, my lord.
Pair number 2 is 125, 215 job.
The next para, there are 2 points of rejection, my lord.
Fail to do maintenance job for 197.
During DLP period, my lord, I have already, please come to page number 40 for a moment, my lord.
40.
40.
All work. Yes, Mr. Nayak, how do you reconcile page 21 and the last paragraph of page 35?
21 and page 35.
Yes, 21 is the completion certificate so far as 197 is concerned. Page 21.
No, my lord, they are saying about the risks and costs have been imposed.
1 second. 21 says that 197 was completed before time. And you have also cited this as a reason that even 197 could not be, that is also one of the reasons for disqualifying him. So far 1 is concerned, 215 is concerned, it is okay. We have.
Lord.
But what about the second?
On 38th August, my lord, I have given the bill for regarding the maintenance of this particular page.
Lord, people kindly see the job number, Lord.
197.
Yes, no, Lordship is seeing the 197, the
Yes.
prior portion, Lord.
Yes.
Job number 127 AAS 2019-20 197. But here, Lordship, it is 154 AS 2020-2021.
No, that is 215. That's a different job.
That is different, the below one.
Page
Yes.
21 and page 35, Lord.
35 is number 2.
Number 2.
Small number 2. 215 we have seen.
Yes, Lord.
The second one, job
No.
197.
One is Lordship completion, second one is maintenance. So
No.
he has done the construction part, but the maintenance.
No,
part,
maintenance is at page 21. If you see 21,
Yes.
page
Is it
21.
complete
This is
certificate?
197 only.
Yes, Lordship, this is completion. Work has been done, but subsequent maintenance has not been done.
No, my lord, the
Okay,
It
maintenance,
contains two parts, Lordship, construction as well as
Okay.
maintenance.
Okay.
my lord, please come to page number 40, my lord. For a moment, my lord.
40.
40, my lord.
Where is the maintenance part, Mr. Nayak?
Maintenance part will come out from the schedule work order tender or the work order law. But from this Lordship, it is not
Okay.
reflected.
completion is so far as the project is concerned, not the maintenance part.
Not mean.
40 years, 40,
If
what
it
is
is a road
40?
project, lordship, then next-
Zaman, what is 40?
My lord, I have, regarding, they have telling me that I have not done the maintenance part, my lord. And whereas I have dutifully continued the maintenance, and this letter is apparent from which has been served to the concerned assistant executive engineer, copy marked to the chief engineer, my lord. The maintenance part, and I am seeking instead of the, regarding the, there is certain small portion of the maintenance amount is also there, my lord. Regarding 0.25% in first year, 0.5% in the second year.
May
It
not
is-
be a case for interim order, sorry. Third, Sri R. Jaman, R. Jaman, petitioner appearing in person. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to holding the bid of the petitioner as technically non-responsive pursuant to an NIT floated on 13/10/2023. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that it has got immense experience in the field of construction and maintenance of national highways and had accordingly participated in the tender process, full stop. However, in the consideration done by the committee in its meeting held on 18/12/2023, the bid of the petitioner has been held to be technically non-responsive, full stop. The committee had cited two reasons for such conclusion, which are as follows, page 35. Para. The petitioner in person has referred to certain communications to show that the conclusions arrived at by the committee are prima facie incorrect, and though practically there has been some delay, such delay was not attributable to the petitioner, full stop. He has also relied upon a completion certificate dated 9/4/2021, so far as the job number here prescribable. 127 is till 97 is concerned and has submitted that the job was completed even prior to the scheduled date of completion. Full stop. Let notice be issued returnable on 8th of January 2024. Sri P. Nayak, learned counsel, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Understanding on PWSL, that extra copies be served upon him by, can you serve today? By
Yes.
today.
Yes, my lord.
A prayer for interim order has been made. Full stop. It is submitted that the decision to exclude the petitioner from the purview of financial evaluation is not sustainable, is prima facie not sustainable, as the reasons cited are incorrect, full stop. On the other hand, Sri Nayak, the learned standing council, by resisting the prayers for interim order, has submitted that the clause in question, namely clause 4.5 within bracket 2 of the RFP, gives the power to the department to take into consideration certain aspects while making the technical evaluation, full stop. He submits that apart from the fact that such clause is not the subject matter of challenge, the committee has cited reasons, and in matters of contractual, in matters of contracts, a leeway and discretion should be given to the authorities, which in this case has been exercised in the interest of public, full stop para. The clause 4.5(2) reads as follows, full stop. The reason cited by the committee prima facie appears to be in consonance with the requirement of the clause, full stop. Though the petitioner has raised issues regarding the correctness of such reasons, comma, at this stage, comma, this court is of the opinion that the same cannot be gone into, full stop. Accordingly, comma, the prayer for interim order. Accordingly, this court is not inclined to grant any interim order in this case, full stop. List on the returnable date.
Obliged.
Next is similar.
Similar, my work is different.
It is however made clear that all actions taken pursuant to the NIT in question shall be subject to the outcome of this writ petition. Next, work for naam to be later. Okay. Next.
May it please the Lord, Mr.
Yes.
This is the 438 application, your lordship, and the FIR is at page 28. This is with page 28, my lord. 28, my lord.
Yes, please.
This is with regard to purchase of a land, my lord. The petitioner purchased the land. My lord, land was mutated in the name of petitioner, my lord. GMC has given building permission. He constructed his house. And thereafter, my lord, this informant who was the seller, he executed NOC, everything was done. Then he filed a title suit before the civil court saying that some amount remained, my lord. That title suit is pending disposal. In the meantime, he filed a temporary injunction petition also. That was also rejected by the my lord, trial court below by passing a speaking order. Absolutely civil dispute, no criminal angle is.
Now, what is the allegation?
My lord, allegation, your lordship will find page 28.
Why are you using arms?
Sorry, my lord.
Why are you using arms?
Not using arms, my lord.
And you belong to some political organization?
No, my lord. I run a aeronautical college, my lord.
No, that is the allegation.
Your lordship will kindly see. Their first allegation is that.
You have a pistol.
No, my lord.
You don't have.
No pistol, my lord.
Those sections are not there, my lord. Only 120.
Sections are not there, my lord.
460
Arms sections and the arms sections are not there. Not at all, my lord.
So read the page 30.
Yes, my lord. My lord, these allegations are absolutely false, my lord. It is required to mention that the aforesaid so-and-so claim to be made part payment of the consideration amount in cash, and as such, the source of money also verified, showing his money muscle power, so-and-so contemplated to get one kotha and so-and-so. Showing some, absolutely false. Lordship will kindly come.
Heard Sri H.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed this application as 438 of the CRPC in connection with so-and-so. Also heard K.K. Parashar, learned APP. Para, call for the case diary. Fixing the next date as 12th of January. Para, Sri Das, the learned counsel, prays for an interim order. It is submitted that the dispute, if any, is essentially a civil dispute, and in fact, our title suit is pending, full stop. It is further submitted that the prayer for injunction has also been refused,
Yes.
which was
1 year.
made by the informant.
Yes.
And the present information has been lodged only with the purpose to harass.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. Anything you want to say?
Yes, my lord. I have gone through the injection order only, my lord.
Okay.
Last year only in this.
Considering the above, this court is of the opinion that some interim protection is required to be, is called for, full stop. Accordingly, it is directed in the interim that in the event of arrest, 20,000. You appear
Yes, my lord.
On or before 5th,
Lordship, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
we have fixed 12th.
My lord.
In this case of the lordship, we have not served the copy to the new incumbent lordship, copy of the order passed by the Supreme
Okay.
Court. We'll serve lordship and file an affidavit.
Kali
with
eta
it.
moi disilu niki?
Yesterday,
The order pass korisilu.
yesterday.
Sri R. Dhar, learned counsel for the applicant who has filed this application for implement of the new incumbent has however fairly submitted that prior notice has not been issued. First of, he accordingly prays for and is granted liberty to issue prior notice and file affidavit with copy of acknowledgement. Full stop para. List after 4 weeks.
Item 10 is also.
Item 10.
Right.
Call 12 call to 12 5 তারিখে appear হবো. Item number
For implementing new incumbent, madam, I have submitted representation. This is page number 9.
is number
9.
9.
Yes, ma'am. Deputy Principal Secretary, Bodoland Tribunal.
New incumbent.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you submit this?
1.
818. Okay.
1.
What is his name?
Akashdeep, ma'am.
Akashdeep. He'll be number 3.
Number 3, ma'am.
Okay. Part 3A Boro. Learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for implement of the new incumbent who is presently posted as secretary of the new incumbent holding the post of secretary Bodoland Territorial Council.
Principal Secretary.
Principal secretary, right? Bodoland Territorial Council, full stop. The representation submitted to the new incumbent has also been referred, full stop, para. After hearing, comma, the instant I is allowed and the below named incumbent is implemented as response number 3. Nam to Didipa, I stand disposed of. Nam pura Didipa, follow. In the contempt you write, in view of the order passed, no, this court filed order passed today, that is, order passed today has in IN number 2776 has implemented a new incumbent as response number 3, who is as follows. What you can deliver. Petitioner is accordingly required to file amended cost title, which can be done, which is required to be done within a period of 2 weeks from today. Okay. Further, comma. Let notice be issued to the new incumbent. Let steps be taken for service of notice by registered post AD. List after 6 weeks, along with service report. Yes, next. Mr. Sharma. Notice, yes, which department?
Railway.
Department.
Railway.
Huh? Railways.
Railway.
Mr. Gupta, Railways. Gogoi, both of you are there. Railways. Instructions?
I'll
I'm not got the
I have not.
instruction. Because the notice was issued in September. What are you doing?
My lord.
A guy had appeared. You take care. Why do you delay the matter? You are a big team. You should take
My
steps. CGC.
My lord,
Don't neglect matters.
after
I'm not pointing to you. We're pointing to the entire team.
my lord,
At least you should have the instructions. 3 months have passed. We talk about pendency.
immediate reopening, my lord, I will. I'll
Affidavit, no affidavit in opposition has been filed till date. Full stop. Para Sri H. Gupta. That is CGC. However, prays for and is granted time to obtain instructions plus file affidavit in opposition. List in the 3rd week of January 2024.
My lord, date be fixed, my lord.
List, don't say 30, list on 19th of January. Arbitration.
My lord, in item 13, my lord, yesterday similar matters, similar, my lord, we fixed it on 10th, my lord. So there are two matters pertaining to same party, my lord.
Okay.
On 10th, my lord.
3H Gupta, Learned Council, Learned Citizens has submitted that similar matters are fixed on 10/1/2024. Those being our petition number
Number 34 and 34 of
34 of 2023. Oh, one of those matters being 34 of 20, our petition 34 of 22, list accordingly.
My lord.
On 10th. 10th.
10th, no.
Yes, 14.
May I please, Lordship? If this petition was filed for appointment of arbitrator, Lordship.
Okay, who's for the respondents?
Agriculture Department.
Agriculture Department. Who is for Agriculture Department?
Sorry, Doctor.
Okay.
Doctor, instruction is still awaited.
Okay.
Can you do it similarly?
It was of October. Okay, we'll grant some time. but
Lordship,
get it-
may I make a prayer, Lordship? Similar item as Lordship is fixed on 5th of January, Lordship. Same similar arbitration. petition.
We fix on 5th, try to get the instruction. We can grant you more time on 5th, okay?
That is arbitration petition 38/23. Lordship.
Okay. Instructions are awaited and MS Bora, G Bora, Learned Standing Council Agriculture Department prays for some time, full stop. It is however submitted on behalf of the petitioner that our petition 38 of 2023, which is similar, is fixed on 5th of January.
Yes, sir.
Full stop para. List accordingly on 5th of January, along with our petition 38 of 2023. 2023, yes.
Hello,
5th of
Obliged.
January 2024, huh? Okay,
hello.
15 years.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Senapati, what is this?
Your Lordship, this will require some amount of hearing.
My lord, in this case, I am appearing for the respondent number 5.
Okay,
Respondent
I-
number 1 is it here?
I filed the reply. I have raised the preliminary objection in respect to the maintainability of this petition.
okay.
That I will satisfy your Lordship.
Who's respondent number 5?
This is a private respondent, my lord,
Okay,
Ganga Sagar Constructing, man. It's a proprietor company in whose favor the contract has been awarded by the NHIDCL.
is there any interim order?
No, Your
No, my lord, but
Accept-
because of the pendency of this petition,
Okay, you're.
I had completed the work, completion certificate has been issued, and they are not
we
making
can-
the
we-
payments.
We
to
can
us.
have your, because if you are having a preliminary objection, we'll hear you first.
Yes.
You give us a date of your convenience. You are an obsession counsel.
Yes, my lord, I am from Lucknow, my lord.
Okay, tell us a date of your convenience. We'll
Can it be 20%? Oh, thanks.
have a hearing date. We can give you some time.
Ninth
have
is the
a-
hearing date.
Tuesday,
Ninth or
Tuesdays and
23.
Thursdays are hearing days.
Yes, Tuesday and Thursdays are there.
9 or 23 or 25.
Huh?
Those are hearing dates.
9th will be, I think, too early.
23 or 25th?
23rd, I think if it's
29th.
29th.
The 29th, I won't take it. It's a
29th,
Monday.
29th Monday, don't take a Monday.
30,
30 you can take.
30
30.
Monday.
30, Your Lordship, I will be out. Can it be?
Then you have it on 2nd, not first.
six.
No, no, first I have difficulty, my lord, and
Can it be on?
You choose a date.
no, because in the opening days, I would be in.
You choose a date.
No, 6.
On 12th,
6th of Feb. 6th of February. Tuesday. The hearing date.
as a lot.
And who's for the other respondents? NHA DCL. Have you filed anything?
They have filed their affidavit in opposition. Pleadings are completed.
Pleadings are completed, my
I
lord.
heard Sri D. Senapati, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard MS Lento. Learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri R.K. Talukdar for the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 NHI DCL.
1 to 3.
Your name?
Anush Kudeshia, my lord.
Also heard Sri A. Kudeshia.
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing for the respondent numbers
5 months.
5. What about the 6?
Since no one is appearing, service is completed.
Basically, the dispute is between the petitioner and the respondent number 6.
Respondent number, private respondent number 5. This court has been informed that in spite of service upon the respondent number 6, it has not appeared, it has chosen not to appear, full stop, para. Pleadings have been exchanged, full stop, Sri Kudesia, the learned counsel for respondent number 5, submits that he has raised a preliminary objection on the questioning the maintainability
Yes,
of the writ petition itself.
Yes, great.
Full stop, para. Let this matter be listed for admission hearing on
6th of February.
as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list for admission hearing on 6/2/2024. Full stop. The question of maintainability would be heard first. Okay.
I'm great.
Okay. Thirty? Petitioner was there appearing in person? Mr. Bhuya? Yes, your matter. We saw you sitting. You said a joint verification was done on 14/12. Yes, instructions, Mr. Bhuya.
Lordship, Counsel B. Gogoi is coming, he'll be arguing this case.
Okay, ask him to come.
Lordship, can we take care of it sometime if possible?
After some time. Material about it. Or unlisted it as sir. Anybody? Huh? Anybody? What are the I have না একেলে বই থাকিব পাৰো কিন্তু বহিলে নাহে যদি অন গেপ দি দিওঁ তাতকে কিয়
May it please your lordship. Your lordship will kindly peruse the order dated 2011-2023. It's a contempt case, your lordship. On that day, they sought some time. I'll just read the operative portion.
Yes.
In the meantime, the respondent shall ensure that the appropriate steps are taken so that the payment which the petitioner is entitled to is disbursed.
No, we remember. He has said 2-3 days time.
Yes, your lordship.
No, yes, what has happened?
We have sent to the finance department for concurrence, madam.
You last time you had said
Last time, actually, there was a confusion between me and the secretary, my lord, because first, the finance department given the budgetary approval, my lord. Once approval was given, my lord, director of secondary education submitted the proposal to the secretary, my lord. Now, secretary sent to the finance for concurrence, my lord. Once the concurrence is received, then my lord, sanction will be issued, my lord.
It was sent on 5/12, if I'm not wrong, your lordship, but I suppose
21/12, this is the latest instructions. Okay, we grant some, since it's moving in the positive direction, but do it soon.
Yes, my lord.
Because it's not telling with your earlier submission. You get the instructions properly before you make
your
any-
lordship, the finance also has to get the instruction as to whether they've done something.
Have you seen this?
Yes, I
will have to inspect.
Okay.
May I pray on 5th, your lordship?
Okay.
Not on 5th. 5th will be today is the last working day. Sri N.J. Khatonier, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number.
All the respondents.
All the respondents has placed on record a communication dated 21/12/2023, as per which the matter of payment, you are aware to distributors.
Yes, sir.
Payment to the petitioners have for final sanction of rupees 84.69 lakhs has already been submitted to the finance department for concurrence on 5/12/2023. Full stop. Para. No officers of the finance department are parties in these proceedings, comma.
No, your lordship, respondent number 2, Samir, I have imputed him as a.
He is not a finance party now.
Your lordship, he is the additional chief secretary in the finance department.
Okay.
He's there, your lordship.
Okay,
He's representing.
don't write it there. Sri B. Gogoi, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2. 6 time to obtain necessary instructions in this regard. Full stop para. Since it appears that the matter has been moving in the positive direction towards compliance, comma, this court let this matter be adjourned to be listed again on 12th of January 2024, on which date the up-to-date instructions may be placed before this court. Copy of the communication dated 21/12/2023 is made part of the records. Is kept with the records. Partner is kept with the records. 30.
That disputed portion part, which the
Yes, yes.
petitioner claims, lordship will give some order, my lord, let it be after vacation. That disputed part, my lord, since there is a joint verification that has been placed by the petitioner, I have informed the chief engineer, no instruction has come from their side. At least that part, disputed part, my lord, some protection may be given till the next.
Okay.
And immediately after vacation.
Fair enough. We'll protect
Otherwise,
your
my lord,
interest.
yeah.
We'll protect your interest. The petitioner is present in person. Full stop. Also heard Shri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, PWD. Full stop. Para. This court on 18/12/2023
My lord, as I said,
had recorded the submission of the petitioner in person that the joint verification was already done on 14/12/2023. Full stop. Though time was granted to the learned standing counsel, PWD, to obtain instructions, comma, some more time has been sought for, full stop para, to balance the equities and to protect the interest connected in this writ petition, comma, that this matter be listed for further listed on 12th of January 2024. It is, however, directed that so far as the patch of the road which the petitioner has claimed to have been done, comma, no works be allotted to any third party.
my lord, I just wanted to make one permission, my lord. That part which has already been disputed, the payment has already been withdrawn, my lord, by the contractor, my lord.
That I will have the instruction, lordship may record the statement.
That has already been done. It is submitted.
That I will have
That the payment for the part has already been withdrawn by the
Contractor.
third party contractor, which full stop. The learned standing counsel shall also obtain instructions in this regard.
Hello.
Yes.
Please, your lordship. I think the counter petition has been filed for non-compliance of order dated 31/2022.
Yes, ready, no. Sole respondent. Notice is around 16/3. Sole respondent. Who's the sole respondent?
Lordship, during the pendency of the writ petition, the contender has transferred to other department. We duly informed the present chief engineer by way of an application. To that effect, we have filed an additional affidavit on 13/12.
Okay, have you filed an IA for implement?
No.
File an IA for implement,
No.
okay. Though, as per office note dated 18/12/2023, comma, service report on the sole respondent is awaited, comma. M. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, has informed this court that there is a change in the post held by the earlier incumbent, full stop. The petitioner may accordingly file appropriate application for implementing the new incumbent.
Okay.
Contempt.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, I supposed to, my lord, take a step further second time, my lord, but I mistake, my lord.
Okay.
Giving
On the
the-
prayer of Sri S. Chauhan, further time of a week is granted, further time of 2 weeks,
My lord, 2 days itself I'm taking.
of 3 days
Yes.
is granted to take fresh steps in terms of the order dated 7/8/2023.
I've taken steps upon all these potential authorities.
Madam, you have appeared for whom?
Lordship, for respondent number 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, one, what about one?
I've taken steps, your lordship, but now I have any steps yet.
Like yesterday's matter?
Yes, your lordship.
কালি তুমি মাৰিছিলা নেকি? 1, 2 fresh steps, 2, 3 and 4 D Jane.
Yes, sir.
তুমি মাৰিছিলা? চাই লওঁচোন কোনে মাৰিছিলে? Same order. T Dewry, D Jane, 2, 3, 4, office note dated 6/12/2023. কালি কোনোবা মাৰিছিল? Respondent number 1, fresh steps. এইখিনিয়ে কথা।
Right.
Deep paper.
Respondent number 1, fresh steps. Okay. Mr. Boro?
The point, reading the new commitment. Same respondent, Akash Tipego. I have submitted the declaration. It is page number 8.
এটা মাৰিছো নহয় ৰাতিপুৱা? এই বড়ো?
Yes,
Which
item number 8.
number?
Item number 8.
Item number 8. Item number 8.
11, my lord.
Item number 11. I disposed of. Our main contempt case for his
There may be included as respondent number 2.
2. Respondent number 2 has about our main contempt amended cost title steps within her category. Okay.
Complete.
I is disposed of. Data. দুটাই তো আছে বঢ়িয়া। Yes, yes.
In this matter, my lord, the respondent authority has issued a tender, my lord, by dated, my lord, 29/8/23, my lord. After that, on closing, my lord, on 21/9/2023, a meeting was held where the tender papers were open and shortlisted, my lord. And
Where is the order in your favor?
my lord, at page 34, my lord.
In your favor?
Yes, your lord.
What is your name?
Rules again, my lord, at serial number 2 and 6, my lord.
Rules here.
Yes,
Number?
your lord. Serial number 2 and
6. Okay.
Later on, my lord, on 11/12/2023, all of a sudden, it has been changed, my lord. Here, the serial number 2, that is Jitan Bordolo, and at serial number 6 is Musadik Iqbal Hazarika, my lord. That the thing was not known to the petitioner. Only on 19th he came to know, and on inquiry he gathered knowledge that that notice was issued on 11/12/23, my lord. My lord, here in the
Repair
bottom.
and innovation.
Yes, your lord.
Yes, health department. NHM. Have you served copies on NHM?
Yes.
Names appearing. Yes, NHM, health department, names are there. What are the reasons for this cancellation and bringing in new incumbents?
My lord, on bottom, in note, it's stated that as per direction from the district administration Lakhimpur, the previous notice number so-and-so dated 21/9/23 is hereby cancelled. All selected bidder appellant are directed to report at Joint Director Health Services, District Health Society, Lakhimpur for proceeding further.
Okay, we will pass some orders. Okay, let him. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. This is something very strange. You have a tender.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, yes. Here I have four photos. Initially, he was selected and it has been given to someone else.
Without any reasons.
That's fine. I can have the inspection, my lord.
But these are matters of public importance. We
Yes,
don't
yes.
want to have an embargo, blanket kind of an embargo. We want early resolution of this kind of disputes.
So immediately on the first week
On
of
the,
January,
but
you-
don't stop the work by the private respondent.
only these two, my lord.
Only these two, obviously,
packages.
these two. Heard Sri M. Sekya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that pursuant to an NIT dated 29/8/2023 issued by the District Health Services, issued by the Joint Director, Health Services, Lakhimpur, for repair and renovation of in-house diagnostic laboratories in various health institutions of Lakhimpur district, the petitioner had submitted bids, full stop, vide notice dated 21/9/2023, the petitioner was held to be the successful bidder and was allotted package number 02 pertaining to ward number 11 and package number 06. No, both. Package number 02 and package number 06, both pertaining to ward number 11, not Lakhimpur, full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is, however, with a subsequent notice whereby the said works have been given to other parties, full stop. The impugned order contains a note that the earlier notice dated 21/9/2023 was cancelled, full stop. No reasons have been cited in the impugned order, and it appears that no opportunity was granted to the petitioner, full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, accepts notice on behalf of Restaurant Numbers 1, 2,
My lord,
6.
Yes, 1, 2,
1 to
4,
6.
4, my lord.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, 3 is additional deputy commissioner.
Okay, health. Some health. What is health?
But he's in the, my lord,
In
there is a society, my lord, in every district. So
Okay.
he's a member of
Then
that.
we'll have Mr. Gogoi for 2. 1, 2,
1,
4,
2, 1 to 4,
5,
5,
and 5.
5 only.
3 K. Gogoi, learned state counsel for
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Let extra copies be served upon them by today itself. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the response numbers 7 and 8 by registered post UTD.
Additionally, Dusty may be given for the.
Can you serve Dusty? Okay. Taking into account the subject matter involved, petitioner is allowed to take Dusty service upon the response number 7 and 8, which however has to be routed through the registry of this court, full stop. The notice accompanying the Dusty would clearly reflect the next date, full stop. Prior to the next date, the petitioner is required to file an affidavit in proof of such Dusty. Para. Sri Sekya prays for an interim order, full stop. The impugned order dated 11/12/2023 prima facie appears to be unsustainable in law, both on the account of not citing any reasons and on violation of the principles of natural justice, full stop. At the same time, the work in question is also of immense public importance, full stop. Balancing the equities, it is directed that on an early date be fixed for the next consideration, which is next consideration, full stop. Let this matter be fixed on 8th of January 2024 till the next date fix, the works in question, namely package number 2 and 6 of the tender notice, are not to be gone ahead with.
My lord, I have small correction, my lord. The 11, ward number 11 is only address of the petitioner, my lord. It is not connected with case number 2 and 6. My lord.
No, it is in the notice.
Yes.
You have got nothing to say. Notice says
Yes,
11.
yes. Oblige, your lordship.
May it please your lord. My lord, under peculiar circumstances, we had to approach your lordship. Now, basically, the matter relates to, my lord, the minority and guardianship, my lord. Now, what had happened, the petitioner before your lordships is the father, my lord, and respondent number 2 is my wife. Now, an application was filed by the respondent number 2, my lord, claiming guardianship of my daughter.
You are who?
I am the father.
Of a daughter, minor
Yeah,
daughter.
minor daughter, my lord, 4 years old. And we have another child, she's only 6 months old, my lord. Now,
Petitioner
he
is
is
the
with,
father.
yes. My lord, on account of some differences, my lord, since
This
September,
daughter is 4-year-old.
4 years old, in respect of whom, my lord, the application was
Okay.
filed seeking guardianship, my lord.
You have
And
another son.
daughter,
Another
both
daughter.
are daughter, my lord, and she's 6
6
months.
months.
She is with respondent number 2, my wife.
Hmm.
Yes. Now, my lord, along with the application under section 8 and 9, claiming guardianship, my lord, section 12 petition was also filed,
By you?
claiming custody. No, by my wife.
R2 filed what?
Section 12 petition, my lord, claiming custody of the daughter, my interim custody.
Oh, okay.
Now, the initially, my lord, the matter was listed on 19th last, my lord.
Okay.
When the, my lord, learned court below, in fact, orally passed an order and said that today the order will be, issued. Now, we have preferred against that order. Now, apart from legality, my lord, the respondent number 1, that is the principal judge, and respondent number 2's lawyer is, my lord, aunt and nephew relationship. How can she appear, my lord? That means, my lord, respondent number 2's lawyer and the presiding judge are relatives, maternal auntie.
That is okay. Then on the legal issue.
On legal issue, my lord, lordship knows section 12 and 13, if we read harmoniously, my lord,
And this one,
guardians and what section?
guardianship and WhatsApp. Okay.
Please
Paragraph.
come to section 12, my lord. Power to make interlocutory order for production of minor and interim protection of persons and property.
Okay.
The court may direct that the person, if any, having custody of minor, shall produce
Where is
him.
the order first? Let us see. Have a
No,
look
there is
at-
no order, is not, no, we could not annex because my order has not been delivered. It has been pronounced, but the order is not outside. We made the statement, my lord.
The daughter is with you right now.
Yes, with me. In fact, her birthday is on 20th, my lord.
What
Kindly
do-
come
what-
to paragraph 9.
What do you do?
Businessman, my lord. My father is a retired IS officer.
Okay.
I am a businessman.
Uh,
My lord, in fact,
and
since,
you are separated from your wife.
no, not judicially, nothing, my lord. Only since September,
Living
actually,
separately.
yes, she is living in our house only at Dimapur. Me, for peace of mind, I am staying with my parents at Kohima.
Okay. Okay.
Now, my lord,
Okay. But do you get any semblance of the order?
yes, my
Where?
lord,
Page.
para 11.
Anything that the order would be passed later?
Yes, I have stated.
No, any order in that?
No, it's not given, my lord. On para 9, my lord, page 13. On 19/12/23, respondent number 1, that is the presiding officer, interacted with the child in presence of both the parents and asked the child if she wanted to go with the respondent number 2, that is mother. The child in no uncertain terms clearly mentioned the court that she did not want to go with the respondent number 2 and she wants to stay with the petitioner. Ignoring the most aspect of any custody battle, the paramount welfare of
Vital respect.
yes, I'm sorry, my lord.
No, we have read it.
I'm sorry. Ignoring the vital aspect of my cast.
Aspect you have vitally omitted this. Okay.
Ignoring the.
Okay, Harsh, Ken Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Sri N. Barua. Full stop. The case projected is that due to some estranged relationship, comma, the wife of the petitioner who has been added as response number 2 is living elsewhere.
In fact, our house.
Living
At Dimapur.
separately, which however happens to be the house of the petitioner himself, which happens to be another house of the petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to our custody proceedings and the order which has been referred, order of 19/12/2023, which has been referred in paragraph 9. Full stop. It is submitted that though copy of the order was not readily available, comma, the respondent number 1, who is the principal judge, had expressed the opinion that the custody of the child who is a 4-year-old, who is the 4-year-old daughter of the parties, would be granted to the respondent number 2. Full stop. In paragraph 9, comma, a specific statement has been made that the daughter was not interested to go with the respondent number 2. Full stop. It has further been submitted that the lawyer of the respondent number 2 and the learned presiding officer are relatives, and therefore there is a question raised on the fairness of the proceedings itself. Full stop. In this connection, comma, the averments made in paragraph
8, my lord.
8 has been pressed into service by the London Senior Counsel. Full stop. Para. Though ideally, comma, para, let notice be issued, returnable on 22nd of January 2024. Last steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD. Steps by a week. Full stop. Heard the learned counsel, senior counsel for the interim prayer. Full stop. Though ideally, comma, the copy of the order was required to be annexed and perused, annexed for perusal, comma, the petitioner has averred the circumstances for which such order, copy of such order could not be annexed as it was not available. Full stop. The connected averments made in paragraph 9 have been carefully perused. Mr. Borua, how you verified 9?
We have annexed the search report on the website.
No, 9 is not search report. 9 is our matters of your knowledge.
My knowledge.
You have heard that the learned judge has made some observation. How can it be record? If you have the record, there has to be a copy. You should know what is knowledge, what is record. Or else you
Correct.
also did not see. Now these are matters, but of
No, very minor.
very
Absolutely
important.
correct.
Writ petition, this is only the affidavit, nothing else. Paragraph 9 of the petition have been perused. Full stop. Para. Considering the above, comma, this court is of the opinion that interests of justice would be served and equities would be balanced if any order of interim balanced if balanced by directing that if there is any order of grant of interim custody to the respondent number 2, the same shall be kept in abeyance
Right.
till the next returnable date.
Deeply.
Since this order has been passed ex parte, this the respondents may come up for modification of the same, if so advised.
Deeply.
Okay, we wish all of you a very happy Christmas.
Thank you and same to you.
Winter vacations.